Well, guys, change the scenery for the day. Cut a few beans. Getting out to find my April beans. Finally, my March April beans finally got dry enough to cut. They finally, you can tell that they're still finally testing dry. But as you can see, the yield is absolutely good on them. I mean, this is fields averaging like 90 bushel, 85 bushel right now. And I mean, this spot's been over 100. And this is the second farm we've done it. This we cut the first farm down around the shop, and it made right at 75. And we come over here, and this is another farm down the road, and it's making, well, you can make say 75, 85, 86. It's 78 average and climbing. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. But yeah, then I got 150 acres here. Yeah, 150 acres here. We're only about 15. We're only about 20 acres in. So they got some of the inrows cut and stuff. So I mean, I'll take it. The sample looks really good. Yeah. And I have verified this. I have verified this with the scale. I did take a load and verify with the scale, and it's kind of like my combine. It was pretty. It was only like a few hundred pounds off. They're good. They're pretty dang good. I mean, it's 80% all the way down through the field. So 80%. I mean, 80 bushel all the way down to the field. So yeah. This is a 25 acre spot patch here, and then it connects to 150 across the road. So we're gonna get to the little field cut and then move to the big field. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Pretty happy.